Welcome back to camp. I have the two little bosses with me today. So I don't know how much we're going to get done, but we're going to have some fun. Hey, what?
Daddy, how you just got me a big shovel over here?
I don't know.
Did you get it at the store?
I don't know, probably.
Daddy, you made me drop this perfect stone.
Oh no, you can make another one. So we got kind of a heavy, wet snow a couple days ago. I noticed on the drive in on the road a bunch of little branches, or bigger branches.
Daddy, watch this.
Little trees, some branches had fallen over the road. So we'll see what we can get done today. Kind of got my hands full, but I was thinking about trying to redo the steps, redo the stairs on the deer fort, because that's going to be a big attraction. They want to see the deer fort immediately, go check it out. So I don't know, let's see what we can do today. You guys can hang out. Sound good? Oops, come here, almost forgot you guys. Come with us.
Ring the doorbell. Okay. Ding dong.
Is that the doorbell?
Cool.
What do you think?
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah. There you go.
So yeah, I'm gonna, I think, redo these. You know, that's that 5/4 deck board, and I thought it would work, but I kind of in the back of my head knew that they were too thin, and there's a few places where it's cracking on the edges, so I just wanted to be safe. So I got some 2x8s I'm gonna put in there instead. I don't think I'll show you that whole process, maybe a little bit of it, but it's kind of nice. I know the length now, and I can just take one out, pop the new one in, and that's how I'm gonna do it. All right.
Oh, do you like to?
So I'm gonna go cut a bunch of boards. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them.
No, I'm gonna count. It's so good. Hot. Okay. 1, 2, 7, 8.
As you can see, I'm changing the spacing just a little bit. New stairs. I feel much more comfortable about the sturdiness of these. I'll probably still put some blocks underneath just for extra support, extra security there. Eventually, someday. Oh, they feel good. All right. I think they're up there rubbing snow all over their face. I don't know, must be refreshing. Okay, I think it's lunchtime. I think we'll go up to Rocky Top to have lunch. Found your spot to eat lunch? So we're going to go on a little hike up here. A couple weeks ago we cleared this lane up here that's right in front of the deer fort. And I just walk up there and get a GPS mark on it. Kind of setting it up hopefully as a shooting lane of sorts, maybe, or maybe just a travel corridor. I don't know. I'm thinking over here or the other side, trying to make some kind of bedding area. I really don't know what I'm doing, but that's what I was thinking anyway. let's get up there. We got to cross the creek's rolling today. Maybe we'll check out the waterfall before we go back up to the deer fort.
Daddy, this is on the other side.
So this is kind of the end of where we cleared here, but there's a little south-facing slope over there. Figure I can set up some kind of thicket in here.
Oh.
Hey, there's the waterfall.
What? Are you supposed to live it?
All right, played in the water, threw some rocks, worked up a thirst. We're gonna hang out in here for a little bit. All right, well, I guess we're gonna wrap it up for today. Maybe hang out in the fort a little bit longer, but we didn't get a whole lot done. But I got the stairs done. I've been wanting to do that for a while, and we got to play in the waterfall, and I don't know, got to get outside. It was a nice day and enjoy it, so that's always good. All right, well, hopefully maybe we'll be burning next time. I don't know. We didn't want to burn today because it was gusty, and obviously the ground is very wet, so maybe next time, we'll see. Or maybe doing some more clearing. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.